morning, everyone. Today is your English class in which we'll be doing sound book. In sound book, we'll be doing sound of ig and ib. Ib sound. Okay, so ib sound. ib. So you just remember the sound only and we'll add few words. आगे से कुछ words लगाएंगे and you will learn the sound. Okay. Nib. Ib. Nib. Can you see this picture? In this picture, you can see nib. Fountain pen nib. You can ask stationery वाले अंकल मेरे को फाउंटेन पेन देखना है तो उसमें he can show you nib. So न ib nib. Say with me, न ib nib. Now next word. Now, next word is rib. Rib. Rib is the part of our body and it is inside our body. You cannot see. Okay. So say with me, rib. Rib. Now, bib. Bib generally kids wear when they eat or when they drink. So if they wear bib तो उनकी ड्रेस ख़राब नहीं होती है ना. तो बोलो मेरे साथ, bib. So we'll read more ib sound words. First is nib, na ib nib, ra ib rib, ja ib jib, fa ib fib, ba ib bib, da ib dib. Now, ig sound words. Okay, ig sound words. Can you see the picture of this dog? Isn't it very big? So, ig big. Say with me, ig big. Now, here this man is digging something. Okay, कुछ खोद रहा है. So, ig sound है. आगे क्या लगाया? D लगाया. It becomes dig. Say with me, dig. Now, ig pig. Say with me, ig pig. Isn't it a cute pig? है ना. तो इसके आगे ig के आगे क्या लगाया हमने? p लगाया और क्या बन गया? pig. Now, ig wig. Okay, wig. When someone use artificial hair, मतलब उनके हेयर्स के ऊपर कोई और हेयर्स लगाते हैं, एक्स्ट्रा हेयर्स किसी भी रीज़न से, उसको बोलते हैं विग. ig wig. क्या है? WIG wig. ig wig. Now, can you see this picture? Here it is the picture of rig. ig rig. Say with me, ig rig. Rig is the plant, is the machinery to extract oil from the sea. ठीक है. तो ig rig. Now let's revise the words again. We'll revise ig sound words. Rig, wig, pig, dig, big. So all ig sound words. Big, rig, wig, pig. And ib sound words. Nib, rib, jib, fib, bib, dib. So my dear children, likewise you just focus on the sound and you will be able to understand the sound and make the word yourself. So don't worry, just try to make it. क्रैम नहीं करना है, रटना नहीं है. ओके, थैंक यू, बाय फॉर नाउ.